Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to loosen this CV joint nut, especially on a rusted axle like this, because it shows that it's been quite a while without being opened. So what you simply do, since it keeps on moving, there's no way you can stop it. Just take a screwdriver like this, just plug it in here so it just breaks, and then you take a size 30 mm spanner if you have a big one, or even a spline socket. 30 mm will do well for you, and then you just snag it there. Just be patient, all right, and then you twist right away like this. Sorry about that, it's just rusted all the way. It's a bit hard. And there it comes. Thank you. Bye bye.